It's Divine's Kitchen where appetites go missing. This is my first YouTube video, and today we're gonna make something very, very sexy and spectacular. It's almost Valentine's Day, and we have 2 meals that you can make for yourself at home. It's COVID-19, you can't go nowhere. Everything closed at 10. But today, right here, is where you motherfucking win. Let's do it. Today, I have a menu for your man to cook for your girl, or your girl to cook for the man, and the girl for the girl, and the boys for the boys. No discrimination. Today, we're gonna make lamb chops with rosemary, skewers, potatoes, and carrots. All right, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil our carrots and our baby little potatoes until they get soft. They have to get soft, and then we're gonna roast them. When you cook, there are certain rules, and my number 1 rule is Rule 101, and everybody know Rule 101. You stay hydrated, motherfuckers. This is not sponsored by that. Yet. So we have our beautiful rack of lambs, and I have my seasoning. So I'm going to explain what I got going on here. So of course we got our basic salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of rosemary. This is an everything seasoning. I love it. And then we have red chili flakes. We're also going to do a liquid smoke because I would love to cook these on the grill. However, it is 29 degrees outside, so we ain't doing that. We're gonna drizzle a little olive oil, just a little on each chop. Rub it in, we don't need a lot. Boom. Say that's a tablespoon. We're gonna rub everything all in. Use one hand for wet. Use your other hand for the dry. So just gonna keep it simple. A little bit of salt, pepper. We're gonna hit with the everything seasoning. Everything seasoning is everything. It goes on everything. It's almost like Frank's hot sauce. We're gonna hit with a little rosemary. Just for a little spice. You can leave this out to your liking. It's all optional. All you really need is salt and pepper, you know? But in Divine's Kitchen, when appetites go missing, we just do things a little bit extra. And then you're gonna flip them over, pat them, boom, boom. You flip them over and you wanna get that fat cap. So you wanna season everything that fell, the residuals, the residual. It's almost like the income that I don't have. And then you repeat. All right, so I have a stovetop griddle. And the reason why I'm using a stovetop griddle is because I would like to get the sear marks on my lamb chops as if I was using a grill. That's how I would do it. But like I said, being that it's 29 degrees outside, we have to do it inside, and that's where this liquid smokes comes in to make it, give it that barbecue flavor that we're looking for. All right. Okay. And if you want the exact measurements to everything that I'm doing, make sure you go to divineskitchen.com. We're only gonna cook these, they're very small, it's a very small rack of lamb. We're only gonna cook these probably about 2.5 minutes on each side. Total cooking time to reach a medium, looking for like a medium rare. 5 minutes altogether. 2.5 on each side. Here we go. Smell that liquid smoke, it's delicious. You want to make sure that it's firm against the pot and pan. I have it on a medium-high heat. So like I said, what we're gonna do, and we're gonna cross hatch. So after about a minute, 15 seconds, we're gonna cross hatch. So we're gonna flip them. Give it a 90-degree flip so we can, you know, get some nice grill marks on there. That's what I'm going for. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to everybody you know. Everybody you know. Everybody got YouTube. So now we're gonna cross hatch. We're gonna flip. See that? Boom. Now we're gonna go the other way. Boom. We're gonna go the other way. Boom. How you doing? Let it go another minute, 15 seconds, and then we're gonna flip, all right? We're gonna flip, and we're gonna do the same thing on this other side. We're gonna repeat steps 1 and 2. Check your potatoes. You gotta check for the tenderness and softness. You want them fork. Boom, like that. Off, fire, stir them. All right, we're gonna flip these motherfuckers now. All right, flip. Woo! That should look better than Burger King. God dog. God dog. Who you think you're dealing with over there? Motherfucking Divine's Kitchen where appetites go missing. You see those grill marks? That's what we're going for. You see that cross hatch? You can play tic-tac-toe on that motherfucker. God dog. Woo-hoo! I'm excited already. I don't know about y'all. That shit look good. So what we're gonna do with this here? Normally you have a longer stem of rosemary, but my grocery store was, I guess, they're skimping. All right, but what you're gonna do is, for presentation purposes, you're gonna leave the top, and we're gonna pull. We're gonna pull. We're gonna pull, right? Boom. And then we're going to take our boiled potatoes, and we're gonna, whoa, look at that. Look at that motherfucker right there. Damn, ain't that just like a Christmas present? And we're gonna add some color with the carrots. See the little skewers, so they're gonna be baby. But it's so cool. Okay. Yours will be bigger. It's definitely what she said. Repeat steps 1. But like I said, normally go and get you a normal size. You know what I mean? Because the presentation looks way better with a normal size. But whatever. We're not here to judge people. All right. You ready? All right. Cross hatch. Just flip it. You just flip. However it is, just turn it. Boom. All right. This is gonna give you them nice, pretty. When I say pretty. Boom, boom. Make sure that the meat is pressed against your griddle. Okay, that's how you're gonna get these nice, beautiful marks. So you need a vegetable. You need a green. Green help you shit. You need it. Everybody got a shit. Got a shit every day. So you want to cut off your stalks. Boom, like so. All right. So now we're gonna saute our asparagus. That's how we're gonna do it. Maybe tablespoon butter. Boom. That's all you need. I mean, damn, that's olive oil, but you know what I'm talking about. Butter. Reason why you put the olive oil down is because butter does not have a very high burning point. It doesn't have a very high burning point, such as something like oil. So to prevent it from burning, you put some olive oil down, extra virgins, because we like virgins. Everybody likes a virgin. They stay with you for life. We're going in, asparagus. Lay it out flat in the pan. Everything needs to cook evenly, okay? Lay it out. Boom, pan down. All right. Permiso. We're gonna season it. A little salt. A little pinch, you know. Season it to your liking. Don't overdo it, because you can't undo it once you do it, okay? But you can always add more later. All right, boom. Just let that cook, okay? Shot o'clock. Rule 101. Do you like my glasses? Do you like the blue? So I got them because I do too, goddammit. You know what I mean? Now, do you know where they came from? Got you right here, Private Highway. 75 First Street, Newark, New Jersey. He will come and he will deliver whatever you need. If you don't even know that you can't see, he can give you an eye exam. If you don't know, I didn't know I couldn't see when I was 16 until I had to start driving. I didn't know shit until I almost crashed. I'm gonna add garlic to this. Oh, we lost one. So what we're doing with this here, we just want to give the vegetables a little bit of color to make everything kind of pop. So what's going to happen is that rosemary stem that's in there, it gives off a lot of flavor. So what it's going to do is going to infuse. It's almost like a THC potato, but you ain't going to get high. You understand? So while they're in the pan, I didn't season them. I just boiled them straight up. So now we got to just a little bit of salt, like salt back. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of garlic. You just let it roast up in that butter. Putting color on it. That's all we doing. Putting color, baby. Everything needs color. Everything needs color. Don't let nobody tell you different. Right now, we're just gonna plate up. This is the most important part. When you want to make something sexy and romantic and attractive to the eye, even when you go out to restaurants and they bring out that plate after you've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, you're like, this shit better be good. Anytime you present, make sure you clean up your plates. You don't want to take this out to your customer or your Valentines or whatever if it ain't presented well. That right there is $1 million plate. Shit, somebody pay for it. So this stout cream sauce that I have here, click the description either down there or up there. I'm not sure where the mystery behind the camera is going to put it. So either one of those, but look for it. If you want it, I got you. It's fucking delicious. Like, you can put this shit on anything. You know. So now you're gonna take a nice little sauce. I'm going to pour it over every time. Bon appetit for all the Valentine freaks. You are going to get whatever you want after you make this. I promise you. Whatever, whoever you're dealing with, after they eat this, they're going to want to do more than kiss. Happy Valentine's Day, motherfuckers.